Welcome back to Southeast Asia Basketball Insights. When evaluating regional youth development ahead of major international tournaments, comparing film across different competitive tiers gives us a highly accurate roadmap for systemic adjustments. Let's contrast the recent film from the NBA Rising Stars Invitational in Singapore with the structural expectations for the upcoming 2026 FIBA U18 Asia Cup in Ahmedabad, India this August. In Singapore, the D-pool battle between FEU Diliman and Japan's Totori Jihoku High School offered a perfect case study in interior geometry and paint recovery. On paper, the front lines matched up almost eye to eye in standard measurements. Yet, on the floor, Japan's Philemon Talman demonstrated an elite masterclass in fundamental paint positioning, anchoring his base early to secure 23 massive rebounds alongside 20 points. When a scouting report highlights that level of physical persistence inside, it completely changes the perimeter calculus. An offensive system cannot rely on linear penetration lines that drive straight into a defender's vertical space. Instead, it requires extreme change of pace deceleration to find passing angles before the help defense rotates. When those interior adjustments aren't met, it places immense pressure on perimeter recovery speed. We saw this reality break open in the fourth quarter when the game was tied at 64-all. Genji Fukumoto kickstarted a decisive 7-0 Japanese run with a lethal three-point basket, pushing Jihoku up 71-64 midway through the final period. Though Mark Doolin and Dwight Enriquez instantly fought back to bring the Baby Tamaras within 3 at 71-68, Japan iced the game with a final 8-2 blitz, capped off by a bucket from Komei Oda to seal the 79-70 score with under 2 minutes remaining. This is where the comparison becomes vital for our national select pool heading to India. While a high school club champion features a completely different roster than a national select squad, the mechanical habits on display are deeply intertwined. The defensive length, spacing principles, and shooting disciplines seen in this Singapore tape represent the exact baseline blueprint our national team will face in Ahmedabad. By analyzing these specific grassroots sequences now, we can accurately evaluate the exact tactical adjustments our elite select prospects must implement to protect our transition lines on the continental stage. As we look ahead to the tournament in India, where do you see our national pool making the biggest tactical leap to handle international length? Leave your technical scouting breakdowns in the comment section below. Smash the like button if this film review brought you value, and subscribe to Southeast Asia Basketball Insights to stay permanently locked into the film room.